Feliz Martes!
Or Happy Tuesday. So today I am kind of hungry, and seeing as it is Tuesday, I'm going to be making some breakfast tacos. Alright, so first I'm going to start off with my hash brown. So I have my potato right here. I'm going to peel that and grate that up. Alright, so I'm going to get my grater, and we're going to cut this up a little bit just so it can fit inside. And now we're going to start grating it up. Alright, so we got our hash browns right now. So we're going to start frying this up. So for hash browns, you want a decent amount of butter inside the pan. So I'm going to throw a couple little knobs of butter in there. We're going to wait for all of this to melt. You want a decent amount of butter so the hash browns don't stick to the bottom of the pan, and also it helps to fry them up a little bit better. Once the butter starts bubbling up a little bit, then you throw your potatoes in. And now we just sit and wait. Might have had the pan up a little bit too high, so we're going to turn that down a little bit. Oh, let's flip then. Oh no, it was actually pretty good. Now what we're going to do once they're flipped is we're going to season with a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. Alright, now that it's done, we're going to take this and put it on a paper towel just so some of that grease gets soaked out. Alright, now we are going to cook our eggs, so I'll throw a little bit of butter in the pan, roll that around a little bit, and then I will crack my eggs directly into the pan. Then what I'm going to do is just constant movement, just constantly keep it moving. And now, some people, they season their eggs before they throw them in, but you never want to season your eggs, because if you do, your eggs will turn gray, and also that's when you get watery eggs. So never season until right before they're done, which is right about now. We're just going to throw in just a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. So next what we're going to do is heat up our tortillas. I'm going to throw just a little drizzle of oil in my pan. Then throw 2 tortillas in there, and then we're going to let these kind of heat up a little bit. Alright, so we got our tortillas here ready to go. What I'm going to do now is take a little bit of the hash brown and stick that on the bottom. Then next comes the egg. Then we're going to get a little bit of salsa. Just put that right on top. Then a little bit of queso fresco. And normally I would put some tapatio on here, but I don't have any, so I'm just going to use sriracha. There you have it. Breakfast tacos. These breakfast tacos are really good. They're super, super easy to make, and they taste amazing. Cheers. So if you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe if you want to see more videos just like this one.